So with this, I just wanted to give you an update. We started with downloading Opera GX, okay, but it wasn't like it is not responding, and like when it comes to the installation on my PC, it is like taking hours. That is why what I was telling you about this Opera, because at times it is like not responding. It like seems to be a little bit heavy, but when it starts it is good. So I'm not affiliated, they have not sponsored this video, but I'm just giving a usual review, like a serious review about it. So then I happened to continue to the next page where I just typed in Opera, also opera.com download. Then I came here, then clicked on download Opera. Then after downloading it, it brought this. Now we open this again, and for this one is even lighter than the first one. So if we click this one, so we want it to download. Let us run. Let us maybe stop this one. So we say close window. Oops. So we are closing it, and that is when it it is showing us that it is about to complete. Okay, but it wasn't like responding. Are you seeing that? So let us wait and see. Would it first finish to like download, or would it? So let us wait and see. Let us also have this one in our back and see. So I double click this. So now it is like showing us that it is basically extracting. Okay. Yes. So now it is basically done. It is done installing. So that is why we see Opera GX browser. Okay, and that is its sound. So it has made that sound. So we believe it is like it has finished. Okay, installing, and that is its display. Okay, so if I right click and pin it, okay, so it is automatically pinned, unpinned from the taskbar, so it is automatically pinned. Okay, so now I would want to like, let me give you an example. I told you at the first time I'm in Uganda, where you find that um, Facebook is not like Facebook. You cannot operate Facebook without a VPN. So if we like come here, it is like telling us, like showing us some of the steps that we should use when taking it. Select a color. Okay, select color theme that will be visible across all interfaces. Okay, so I would love this. Then wallpaper, select wallpaper that will be visible across all what. I would love this also, or this one. Then we continue. Then step 2, because it is also my first time to use this, set up your inventory. Okay, do not switch back and forth between different apps. Integrated messengers will save your time. Okay, so colorize the icons to match their theme. So I would love that, to match their theme. So it is like, I believe what they are trying to mean here. So like, let me say if Facebook, the if like for Facebook Messenger, if we go to its like theme color, you find that most of the times this is white. Is it? Let me use WhatsApp. It is somehow greenish. if at all we look at WhatsApp. So I want them to display with their color. Then never miss a live stream. With Twitch right in your sidebar, you can easily see the channels you follow. So Twitch in the sidebar, this is our sidebar. Okay, you can see what they are talking about and choose to receive notifications whenever someone follow goes live. Whenever someone you follow goes live. So we continue. Make Opera GX yours. Okay, so start by importing bookmarks, passwords, and cookies from your previous browser. So we don't want that. So they are even telling us we can import, okay, previous passwords and stuff as mentioned here. So I wouldn't want to do that. So I just click continue. Okay, so we have this: clean up necessary junk files and improve performance. As for like, yes, so it means that we can go here and click cookies, then add blocker, so you can block ads, of which if we go to Google Chrome, that is also an add-on. Okay, so but here, like everything, it is more way easier to use because everything that you would use as an add-on is basically provided for free to you. Okay, so now, okay, so if I continue, then where did you hear about us? Okay, first time using, yes, it is my first time. Then bring your gaming style. Don't want to do gaming. There you go. Your browser is now customized. Feel free to start browsing. Okay, so now we can visit YouTube. Besides that, we can visit eBay, Eneba, Humble, Raid, Booking.com, Twitch, Discord, all that. But if we happen to go back this side, I would want to like visit WhatsApp. So in the previous versions, I would expect my WhatsApp to be here. But in this one, I'm not seeing it. So where do you get it? So this is like what you do to like visit YouTube, and you can do what? Sign in. Okay. If at all you want to do what? To continue that side. Send to a flow. Let me first see, because it is my first time to use this GX what? Browser. I would want to. So it means that instead of having it here, because now in the previous versions, like where there is Twitch, here is where we would get the other what? The other options. That is WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, all of that. But now it means that I have to just click here, shaders, where I have these different options. So then I go here, as you see, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp. So it means, oh, so if I click this, so my first time to set up, everything comes, okay, Telegram, VK, Instagram, TikTok. So most of the times you find that most of these apps, okay, that we would want to use, we are basically, it is sad. So you may find that you only use two maybe social media platforms, okay, but then after selecting them, because whatever you select, it goes this side. So I want to see. If I click that, then workspace, add more, workspace 1. Okay, so if I've selected them, so I want them to show up on the sidebar, of which they are showing up now. How do I like keep them on the sidebar? So if I say maybe connect to the phone, Okay, so the moment you tick them from here is enough for them to like show up, because we like clicked here and everything was what we clicked here, then we happened to pop up something, some stuff. Let me first go here. Yes, we clicked here. What does it show? Sidebar setup. Then the moment we clicked here, we went on. As you see, the one I untick is the one that disappears. So it means if I remove this mood and stuff, so all of it disappears. So I want to replace it with these different icons of the different social media platforms. Then from there, that is it. Now I close it. So I have my WhatsApp here, Facebook Messenger, VK, Instagram, TikTok, then Twitter. So it means that the next thing I would do is to connect my phone. So the moment I click this, then I start now connecting my phone with this. Okay, so I'll be maybe showing you maybe some other time how to like connect your phone, and then you link up everything to see that you do not like wait for the message from your phone. It just comes to straight to your computer as you are working out. So then from there we happen to have the VPN. Let me also check, because in the previous version we could get our VPN this side. So if I like come and slope down, looking for where I would find the VPN, as you see here. So VPN, so enable in settings. Okay, so the moment I click that, this shows up. Okay, so don't show it again, I understand. So enable VPN, so I enable the VPN, connect to VPN when starting the browser. So you can choose for it to automatically connect. Enable internet sites by bypassing what? VPN. So that is the only thing I wanted. So if at all I happen to enable the VPN, I don't want it to connect whenever I start this browser. So I would do that manually, as you see here. So if you remove this now, get your eyes look here. If I enable this, that is enable VPN, it pops up here. Okay, but I would not have commanded it to start whenever I like put on my browser. So it means that if I happen to close it, okay, so quit Opera. So remember I like pinned it here, so I can use here or here on my taskbar. Okay, so if I click on it, so it is going to open up. So then when it opens up, I have this VPN now. Instead of looking for it from this side, so now I already have it here from the settings I enabled before. Like before doing what? Before closing it. Now it is me to choose the location. Okay, then should I like put it on? So the moment I click that on, so it goes on. Okay, now it is me to like choose any location I would prefer. So I may prefer Europe. So that is like the advantage of you having the opera using the Opera. So if at all you're on phone, then it means you would go for Opera Mini. So most of the times you'll find that the phones are using that as their browser. So thank you for watching. Thank you for having subscribed. And if you are new here, this is a channel for creative people, and it is a channel to help us grow as creative people and become better people. Learn how to earn from the content we create. Learn how to earn from our music or anything that we happen to create as creative people, and also share different things that we need to know and that would happen as cap up costs as creative people. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of this channel. I love you.